So babe, why are you like breathing so heavy?
Nauseous, I'm gonna throw up.
Why have you been nauseous all these mornings?
Well, it's been 7 days since my missed period.
Whoa, 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 TMI,
If
bro.
you must know.
Cup your ears, vlog.
What is this vlog even about right now?
I don't know, I thought we were going to CVS because you wanted to get something for morning sickness.
Called the pregnancy test.
This is not a sponsored ad, but if we're pregnant, we could probably use some money, so sponsor us, CVS. Feminine care, sanitary, family planning. That's how they name it. Here. That one's cool. This is purple. It's really good. You gotta get some more. You gotta make sure it's open. The three-way. This one's got 3 ways. We're good. Hey, get them all. We need to make sure.
Okay.
Go. Babe, so midweek was pretty incredible, and I don't know what you were praying about in church, but today you picked up, and maybe you should,
Right now?
so,
I have to read the instructions.
am I gonna film you doing what you gotta do on that, or am I just gonna
We're doing an extensive review on
blur you out? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Unboxing!
Pregnancy test unboxing on Clear Blue. So this is a digital pregnancy test. There are 2 tests in here.
Digital, wow, we are so high tech.
Hopefully I only have to take one.
So it writes the word pregnant.
Yes, that's why it's digital. It says pregnant or not pregnant. Instead, I can't open this.
So how are you peeing on something that's digital and it's not short-circuiting?
You'll see in a moment. You've never done this before, which is wonderful.
Okay,
I'm so glad you've never done this before.
I thought it was like a weird thing, like a wafer or something.
A wafer, like a litmus test?
I don't know.
It technically is a litmus test inside.
I just thought.
Don't ruin the box.
Wait, you trying to keep the box for like a memory stick?
Yeah, for me. Oh my god, I need a pee so bad. I'm gonna pee in this big mason jar over here. So I actually think I might fill up this entire mason jar.
That's gonna be embarrassing.
Why? I haven't peed in hours. I'm holding it.
How are you gonna stop the pee?
I won't. I'm just gonna pee in the whole cup.
And then, but what if
It won't overflow. I don't have more than this.
What if you have 22 ounces
Well,
of pee?
it's fine. I'll move the cup and then I'll pee. Okay.
Go ahead. I want to watch.
All right. The box is open, and then we have to read the instructions because I have to make sure I'm doing this properly. It's gonna say how long you have to do. Okay. So there are 2 tests in here, all wrapped, and they have an expiry date of 2020.
So you have to finish peeing before 2020.
Yes. So I think there's 2 options here. I want the option where I just put it in the cup. Okay, so take the test. Please read these instructions carefully before taking a test. When you're ready to test, remove the test stick.
Who's this?
That's me, but why are we talking about makeup right now? This is focus.
And who's
Focus.
that?
Focus. Focus.
Okay, the baby can't look like that
Okay,
part. Okay, the baby, that one's scary. Okay, yep.
When you're ready to test, remove the test stick from the foil wrapper and take off the cap. Use the stick right away. So you can either test in your urine stream. I don't want to do that. The second option is to collect a sample of your urine in a clean, dry container. Place just the absorbent tip in the urine as shown for 20 seconds only, keeping the absorbent tip. So do you have your phone as a stopwatch?
I gotta know how to count to 20.
Okay. But it says only, so
Yeah,
so I don't need 25.
2001, 2002, 2003, 2004.
Well, what you can watch the time on you.
Oh yeah, but I know.
Okay.
Taking a lot of it already.
Keeping the absorbent tip pointing towards down, replace the cap and lay the test stick flat. Okay, so only 20 seconds. So I'm gonna pee now.
Okay.
Okay.
It's about to get really real now.
Cheers!
Then I've been waiting 49 years for this.
Are you ready? Oh my god, your life's gonna change right now.
Babe.
You're
What's
funny.
that noise?
Oh my god, there's so much heat. Oh no!
Oh my god, this is really about to happen right now.
You freaking out? I'm gonna
You nervous?
close it. Hold it.
10 more seconds left till we find out.
Oh no, you won't find out in 10 seconds after you take it out and throw the blade flat in 10 seconds.
Oh god.
Oh my god, okay.
And then what happens?
Wait, it's loading.
And then what? It comes up right there. Look, 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 it's beeping. Beep, beep, beep,
It's
beep.
loading.
It's two. Beep, beep, beep. Look, look.
No, what color?
There's 2 dash.
It's
Beep,
gonna
beep,
take-
beep.
It's gonna take 2 minutes or 3 minutes.
I don't know. It's got 2 dashes already. Clear blue.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Be careful what you ask for.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I don't know if I got the right outfit on for announcing a pregnancy.
Be anxious.
Oh, babe, it's on 4 lights already.
Okay, it's gonna say a word.
Babe. I can't focus. Stop moving. 1 second. Stop. The phone's broken. It won't focus.
It's fine. I'm gonna be screaming for another 15 minutes. It's fine. So you got me in a blur.
Babe, what are you doing?
We did it. We did it.
Babe, what are you
Ay, little
doing?
leoncito.
Oh my god.
Ay, chuchi leoncito. Come here.
Young sesame seed.
We did it. No.
You love me?
Isn't it the craziest thing to... We're pregnant! Oh my god.